Welcome to my channel once again. This is me Ayan here. Today we are going to learn how to crop this image in this heart shape. Let's get started. Let's open the file. Here is the file. Now you see, when you crop using crop tool, no matter what you do, you cannot crop in any other shape except rectangle or square. But today, I'll show you how to do it differently. Let's select custom shape tool. Now let me select something that matches with the image. This seems appropriate. After right-clicking on the shape, then select Convert to Smart Object. Put the layer 1 above the shape 1. Now go to Layer, create Clipping Mask. Just like that, it's done. Select both the layer in order to move them together. Let me just adjust it a bit. Now save it and choose the JPEG format. Let me rename it. Now hit save. Let's open the saved image. So here's the final edit. Like this, you can choose any shape and use it according to your convenience. That's all for today. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss a video.